I've been home from the hospital, I don't know. I think maybe a week. I'm not sure. Anyway, I ordered a Wi-Fi blast to help with the Wi-Fi here. I thought I'd grab it and open it with you guys. It's not sponsored or anything, it's just something I picked up, or I saw and I ordered. So, sit back here. I'm doing pretty good. Still feeling a little sore. Today was the first day I showered and washed and dried my hair. Can't believe how long my hair is getting. I sent text messages to people in a big old group while I was in the hospital. I just found it today and saw that I sent like weird messages to 8 different people on the same text. And I guess I ordered this too. So let's get it open and see what I got. I was looking for the instructions. So, I don't know about that cord. I don't know where it goes. I'll have to read the instructions. And Wi-Fi blast. I guess you plug it in there. It's got this thing so that no matter... Oh, I thought it turned. Oh, maybe it does. I don't know. Anyway, just plugs in. So I got one for here in the house. And then I got one to go in my trail manor so that while I'm traveling, and yes, I will be traveling again. So I already got one of them open and the directions open. So I'll put this one back for now. Save it to put in the trail manor. Quick installation. And the teeny tiny little letters. Plug in next to your router. Wait until the LED is blinking. Or you actually have to plug it into the router. I thought it was one of those ones you didn't have to do. I thought it was something that you plugged in like in my trail manor and it grabbed the internet to make it stronger in the trail manor. I didn't realize you had to plug it in. Anyway, I'll read these instructions and get another cup of coffee. I want to get this figured out. I'll bring you back. Yes, I will. I can get up. Okay, I've looked over these instructions and they're all in English, but it might as well be French or German or whatever. There's 9 different steps you have to go through, and to be honest with you, I'm in no shape to do anything technical. So I will think about it. Anyway, the pellet stove is working great. The guy that put it in hasn't come back yet to put the different flashing around it, and it was kind of rattling, so I stuck a big old matchbox in between so it didn't rattle anymore. I am doing better. I am still hurting pretty bad at times. When I do get to hurting real bad like that, I just run and go get in the spa. That's the only thing besides the medication that helps. And they've got me on 6 different medicines. And I'm having a hard time keeping them straight. I've got this big old pill box. My sister found it in the bedroom, or in the bathroom. And before I got like to the last 2 days that she had filled, I opened all these up and I just copied what she had in these two. I copied in the rest of these. She wrote it down as well. Thank you, Shaie. She's so efficient. And I go by that sometimes, but usually I just copy what pills are in here. So I refilled it this morning. Hope I got it right. Anyway. And then my other sister, Cammie. Thank you, Cammie. Camilla is her name. She brought me a bunch of food. Some salads and some crackers and some sodas. And what else? She brought Nature Valley granola, protein oats, and dark chocolate. And I think she said she got them at Target. They are so good, and it's close. You know, they usually have the seal thing where it's like a zip. You know what I'm talking about? This one's done with Velcro. It's so cool. It took me a long time to figure out why I couldn't find the ridges in it to close it. And then they're just little, I'll get some out. They're just like little nugget things. And they are so good. Anyway. So I'm going to hold off on doing this Wi-Fi blast thing. Well, it says wireless connection. I don't know. I don't understand it right now, and I'm in no mental shape to do it. But I will get back to you in a little bit, because I'm going to take probably a 2-hour break and go lay down. But for you, it'll only be a little bit. Anyway, but that's the plan. I'm hurting. Shower and doing my hair kind of took it out of me. So I'll be back in a little bit.